Buying crypto is easy, but doing it safely is what matters. In this video, we'll cover 4 practical steps to protect your coins and your peace of mind. First, a quick reality check. Crypto transactions are irreversible. That means mistakes or scams can cost real money, so a cautious approach pays off. Second, the ecosystem is evolving. Regulations, platforms, and tools change quickly, so use reliable sources and keep your methods up to date. Third, responsibility matters. You can use custodial services, but ultimate control and security depend on the choices you make when buying and storing crypto. Here's the roadmap. Choose a trusted exchange, complete identity verification carefully, transfer assets to your own wallet, and adopt strong security habits. We'll show each step. Let's begin with selecting the right exchange. The platform you pick sets the tone for safety, convenience, and long-term trust in your crypto journey. Start with reputation. Look for exchanges with a long track record, transparent leadership, and positive user reviews from diverse sources. Check regulation and compliance. A regulated exchange often follows clear rules, protecting customers with licensing, audits, and consumer safeguards. Review security features. Prioritize exchanges offering cold storage, insurance coverage, mandatory 2-factor authentication, and withdrawal whitelisting. Compare fees and liquidity. Low fees matter, but high liquidity ensures you can buy and sell without unexpected price swings on large orders. Test customer support. Responsive, documented support can save you time if issues arise. Check help centers, response times, and community forums. Summary. Pick an exchange with proven reputation, regulatory compliance, strong security features, fair fees, and reliable support before you deposit funds. Most reputable exchanges require identity verification. This KYC process helps prevent fraud, money laundering, and improves platform trust for all users. Prepare documents ahead. A government ID, proof of address, and a clear selfie. Use high-quality images and follow the exchange's instructions exactly. Protect your privacy. Only upload documents to the exchange portal, check their privacy policy, and avoid sharing sensitive files over email or public chat. Expect verification delays during peak times. If verification takes longer than expected, contact support with polite, concise details rather than repeatedly resubmitting documents. Use accurate information. Mismatched details can lead to account holds or withdrawal issues. Treat verification as a careful step, not an obstacle. Once verified, set account protections immediately. Strong password, 2-factor authentication, and secure contact recovery options to reduce future risks. Understand custodial versus self-custody. Exchanges can hold assets for you, but true ownership means controlling your private keys in your own wallet. Choose the right wallet type for your needs: mobile for convenience, desktop for active trading, and hardware for long-term security. When creating a wallet, write down the seed phrase on paper and store it offline. Never store seed phrases in cloud storage or screenshots. Always verify addresses carefully. Copying errors or clipboard malware can redirect transfers. Use QR codes or pasted checksums when possible. Do a small test transfer first. Send a tiny amount to confirm the address and network before moving larger balances to your wallet. After a successful test, transfer the rest and confirm on the Blockchain Explorer. Keep transaction receipts and security notes in a safe place. Enable 2-factor authentication using an authenticator app or hardware key. SMS is better than nothing but less secure than authenticator apps or hardware. Beware of phishing. Never click links from unknown emails. Always confirm official domains and type exchange addresses manually when unsure. Keep software updated. Wallets, devices, and operating systems receive critical security fixes. Update promptly and avoid untrusted third-party apps. Consider hardware wallets for substantial holdings. These devices isolate private keys offline and significantly reduce exposure to online threats. Regularly audit your accounts. Review active sessions, connected apps, and withdrawal addresses. revoke unknown permissions, and rotate keys if needed. Final takeaway. Follow the 4 steps consistently, practice caution, and treat security as ongoing. Visit our resources to learn more and stay protected.